What is the sound of one hand clapping? This ancient koan has been used for centuries as a way to reflect on the interconnectedness of all things, and the art of finding balance between our individual existence and our connection to the world. The sound of one hand clapping is a reminder of the harmony and balance that can be achieved when we take time to recognize our place in the universe, our part in the greater whole. It is a reminder that we can find joy in the simple act of listening, and that there is beauty in the silence that surrounds us. Take a moment to listen to the sound of one hand clapping, and remember the interconnectedness of all things.